In our today's tutorial, I want to show you how to create random point using ArcGIS. Okay, this tool is very important when preparing data for accuracy assessment, training sample, or any type of field verification work. Okay, so here is my ArcGIS interface. So to do that, I will first of all add my study area shapefile. Okay, first of all add up my study area shapefile. Okay, so I will make my study area shapefile to be hollow. Okay, so after doing that, I will come over to search option. I will write create random point. Then click on search. Okay, so I will scroll down to this one under data management. I will right click on it to open. Okay, this window will pop up. Output location, I will choose where I want to save my work. Output point feature class, then I will give it a name random point. Constraining feature class, I will choose my study area. That is my shapefile. Okay, then I will scroll down number of points. I will make it to be at 100. Okay, then linear unit, I will make it to be in meters. So after doing that, I will click on OK. Okay, you can see that it is running at the downside of the software. Okay, you can see that I've been able to create the random point successfully. Okay, so I will open my attribute table to check the random point. Okay, you can see the random point, that is from 1 to 100. Okay, so after doing that, I can choose to change the size of my random point and also the color. Okay, so guys, that is how to create random point using ArcGIS. Okay, thank you for watching.